Let's talk about adding shapes to our Google My Map. We're first going to start our shape by selecting this section here, Add a Line or Shape. And a shape is actually going to start with a line that we end up connecting at the end. Shapes are a great way to indicate territories, districts, or unspecified areas of a map that may have other meaning that the map cannot reproduce. So maybe we want to say this is San Diego County and how far it would stretch out. Maybe you want to indicate areas of drought. Maybe you want to indicate areas of high congestion of traffic or whatever it could be. You can use your content to specify that. And so when we come back to the beginning, we connect it to the very first dot. We look for the hand and we click, and it solidifies what is called a polygon or a shape. And again, polygons are customizable by adding content in the same way that markers and lines are. So we can change the polygon transparency, which makes it a little more see-through, change the color, and we can change the border width as well if we want to, just for clarity purposes. Now, one thing is we probably want to organize your polygon or your shape over here. You may want to separate your lines and your markers and your polygons. So what we may want to do is add a new layer. Let's title this one Shapes. You can title it whatever you want for your lesson. And then since I've already made it in the markers, we need to move our polygon shape by clicking and holding and simply dragging it in here. Again, if you want to make more shapes, now that this is the active tab, whatever shape that I create now will show up in the shape category that I want.